up. I know that they're, so I want to get breakfast ready for this little girl. So I know a person saying, Neisha, please to do a cooking tripod stand, but it can't work. I have to have a selfie stick to remove the top, and then the selfie stick can also screw on the inside. All the comments and read them. I hear you all out there what you want to see so far. Please still comment, you know, tell me what you really want me to do next. Yeah, you know, Jamaica, so the thing is set with it. I'm gonna be so like him now asking. Hey man, try use my left hand. Wee. Alright. So me like my plant. Take out them seeds. Put them over here, so. Put them over here, so. Seeds, yeah. Right. I'm afraid of the phone on the fire, so I'll be honest with you. Yeah. Yeah. Breakfast settings. Much people love ripe planting. Alright guys, so you know, chiffon. So the finished product there. Ripe plantain. No egg today. This are, you know, some jack mackerel. Yeah, make some sandwich with a little girl. And so the bread here. Bread, mackerel, plantain. I wanted to say this is some hot up mackerel. See it dinner before. With tomato away. One girl did so 2 pieces of sweet pepper, yeah. Tomato by the onion, then they're in there, you know. Yeah, them in there, but this is hot up, you see it. Quarantine lifestyle. Plantain, no egg. You see the complete breakfast and some ginger tea. Yeah, man. All the comments and read them. I hear you all out there what you want to see so far. Please still comment. You know, tell me what you really want me to do next. Mother always working, right? Anyways, bye for now, guys. I know by the time you guys see this video, it's long gone afternoon. But have yourself a lovely day, great weekend, and you know, stay safe, be good, and remember, this is on a budget. We all know have to try to do our best and take care of our family.